Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these vegetarian sausage rolls, a delicious meat alternative. Alright, first you will need walnuts, or any kind of nut, onion, soy sauce, 1 egg, cottage cheese, tomato sauce, carrot, breadcrumbs, rolled oats, ready rolled puff pastry sheets, a little bit of milk, and some sesame seeds. Alright, to start you're going to need a 1/4 cup of nuts. I'm using walnuts, and you're just going to finely chop those up and pop them into your large bowl. Then you're just going to take 1 brown onion and you're going to finely dice that and add that to the same bowl. Next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 egg, 2/3 of a cup of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and then you'll just grate some carrot until you have 1/2 a cup and add that as well. And using a stick blender or a food processor, you're just going to blitz until the mixture is combined. Now it's going to look real gross, but just bear with me here, it works out. Then you're just going to mix in 1/2 a cup of dried breadcrumbs and 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats. Alright, so your frozen pastry sheets should be defrosting out on the bench while you prepare the filling. Then you're just going to mark halfway across each sheet, and then you're going to put 1/4 of the mixture down the center of each of those 4 pieces that you've cut. Make sure you get it even all the way to the edges, because you don't want the rolls cut from the end to have no filling. Then just with 1 tablespoon of milk, you're going to brush one side of the pastry, and then lifting the other side up and then peeling the backing off the pastry. You're just going to roll it till both edges of pastry meet. Alright, then you're just going to cut each log into 6 even-sized pieces, and then place them onto a baking tray lined with baking paper. Now it's really important you make sure that you get the seam, or where the pastry joins, on the bottom. Make sure that's sitting on the bottom so they don't open up. And then you're just going to repeat that with all 4 pieces until you have 24 sausage rolls. Now we're just going to brush the tops with milk and then sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds on the tops. Now all you need to do is bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until golden brown. Make sure you cool them a little bit before eating, and then you can enjoy them with some tomato sauce.